Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Wix Studio and how to create a e-commerce website. As you can see here, after you sign in or log in, you will be directed here on this Wix Studio. Here on the left side panel, you can see sites, branded mobile apps, custom templates, custom apps, client experience, billing and subscription, customer care tickets, earnings, team, and settings. So to create site, simply click on this create new site. Wait for it to load up. And here you can either choose start from a blank canvas or start from a template. So I will start from a template. Here you will see a various type of templates, but you can choose here and you can categorize it by type like this e-commerce. Here I will scroll down and choose what I want. For example, this one. Simply click on edit or view if you want to view it only. Wait for it to load up. Now here you can browse tutorials or simply click on X. As you can see here, you can change it or edit it here. You can see on the right side, you can edit the design, layout, and positioning. On the left side, you can see here a lot of editing. You can see here a lot of editing tools like layers, pages, site styles, media. You can add media, global sections, app market, my business, CMS, and code if you want to add coding. Now here you can just edit these things. Like this one, you can add animation and effects. Now let's try to edit this one. On here, we can simply change it to buy now. And now for this, we can change the media. Here you can search up for a media that you want to add. For example, let's see men's outfit. Hit on enter, and here you can have a lot of different images. For example, this one, sweatshirt. Click on add to page, and there you go. As you can see, it is already changed. Now you can just change this prices, the names, and other things. Just let your creativity do the thing, and that's basically it.